ChatGPT has started a new craze around the world, and it has taken the internet by storm. It shows how powerful AI can be and has put journalists, coders, and academics in a strange position. On the one hand, it's likely to take away jobs, but on the other, it's opening up a lot of doors to new opportunities. In today's video, I'll show you businesses you can start using ChatGPT. Let's get started. Number 1. Develop your own products. You can make your own apps, websites, and plugins very easily with ChatGPT because it can write custom code for you. For all of this to happen, you must know how to ask the right questions and how to use the code that is generated. If you know how to make a plugin or app, you can sell it as a premium product and make a good amount of money. You can also give it away for free and make money by putting ads on it. Number 2. Freelancing business. If you know how to build websites or apps, you can use ChatGPT to grow your freelancing business faster. If you are already a freelance coder, you must spend a lot of time making codes, building websites, and fixing bugs in codes. But it only takes a few minutes with ChatGPT. To get the right codes from the ChatGPT, you will need to tell the chatbot what to do. As a freelancer, you can also make custom marketing and advertising campaigns for businesses. Before ChatGPT, it would take days to plan a specific campaign. Now it's a piece of cake. So, if you are a freelancer or want to become one, ChatGPT can be a godsend for you. Number 3. Be a name creator. Who doesn't want a name for their business or group that is creative, unique, and easy to remember? But not everyone can come up with ideas, so they pay people to come up with names for their brands that are unique. You can make hundreds of dollars every day by making up names. To do this, you need to give the ChatGPT the right information, and then it will give you a long list of brand names. Choose a few of these names and put them on the website namingforce.com. If your name is chosen, you can get hundreds of dollars. Number 4. Become a curated content seller. Unique content is very valuable in this day and age, and people want it a lot. With ChatGPT, you can make an outline and come up with ideas for what to write. This content is available to tens of thousands of users, so it is not unique. However, this content solves half your problem. You will need to organize the ChatGPT content so it can be sold. The point of ChatGPT is to just give you ideas and content. It will be up to you to add to it and organize it. This content can be scripts for YouTube videos or blog posts, which can sell like hotcakes once they have been curated. Do you know of any other business you can start using ChatGPT? Let us know in the comments box below. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to get updates. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.